5 cleaning gadgets you cannot live without. The Bissell Spot Clean Pro is one of my favorite things. It sucks out deep satin stains in furniture and carpets. Just look at what comes out of your furniture. If your kids and pets leave your home with impossible to remove stains like this, then you need this steamer. Melt away even the toughest of stains with just water. It's that easy. Plus, it's perfect for grout and any tiny crevices that you can find in your home. And if you've recently seen my window cleaning video, you'll notice this is the same steamer that knocked out all the dirt stuck between my windowsills. This Tineco wet dry vacuum is a must. Stop just vacuuming and start cleaning. This vacuum picks up wet and dry messes with the built-in mopping function, cleaning your messes and scrubbing your floors simultaneously. Because let's be honest, who has time for both? My O-Cedar mop is one of my favorite things to use in my house. It's fun to use with a spin option and it cleans your floors really, really well. It can be used on any kind of hard surface floorings, plus I like to use it on the walls. Comes up clean every time. Microfiber cloths are a must for any home. They can be used in so many ways. I love to